My name's Jeff Sterling. I'm the Managing Director at Intech, and my role involves really facilitating and supporting our team to do good things. More in, more out came when we started looking at how we operate. At the start we put a lot of effort in and that's about getting more results out. So we really subscribe to that and it happens, it's just the way we do things. It's not something that we've artificially created, it's just the way we've grown.
I've been in the mining industry now for in excess of 20 years. In the last 8 years I've been involved in 5 of the largest infrastructure projects that Queensland's had going. I believe the differentiator is the culture of the business and the willingness to truly be a business partner to our clients.
I guess one of the things that we can do around big data is, companies will go and do the analysis and they'll identify trends and identify improvements. And I think what Intech can then bring to the party is actually how to actually take that analysis and realise benefits from it. So being able to take that data, processing it, looking for trends that you may not have previously seen, and being able to improve your mining process through that.
We've got mechanical division in Perth, we have electrical in Townsville, and we collaborate between the offices. So that collaboration works very well and very effectively as well.
Intech's point of difference is that we are a smaller organisation that is nimble and works one-on-one with the clients to deliver what the client needs. Study work, design work, and construction deliverables in a really timely manner.
Part of what we do, we've told ourselves that we actually want to work on interesting projects and work with good people and good clients, and we make sure that happens, and it does happen. So I think that makes it quite exciting.
So Intech became interested in the whole robotics and automation side a few years ago because Jeff, our director, sort of really thought that was the way of the future. So the idea with UFR was to develop a robotic product, but it's also to advance Intech's knowledge in the whole robotics and automation space.
Our challenge now is to look at all the disruptive forces applying and to take new technology on board and be able to deliver it to customers and so they get their edge. We've got our robotics project, which is going to deliver hopefully some manufacturing capability for Australia and some exciting work for our people, and also some skills that we can then use to improve customers' businesses and give them a better result.